Imagine being able to produce professional quality videos without ever turning on a camera or recording your own voice. That is exactly what HeyGen makes possible. Using advanced AI, you can transform a single script into a polished video featuring realistic digital presenters, natural-sounding voices, and professional visuals in just a matter of minutes. So whether you're creating YouTube videos, online courses, business presentations, product demos, or social media content, HeyGen simplifies every step of the production process. In this tutorial, we will walk through the complete workflow from creating your account to exporting your finished AI-generated video. So the first step is signing in to your HeyGen account. If you don't already have one, registration is quick and only requires a few minutes. After you log in, you will arrive at the main dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your projects. Here you'll find your saved videos, templates, AI avatars, and other creative tools are organized in one easy-to-use interface. To start a new project, click the option to create a video. HeyGen gives you several ways to begin depending on your goals. You can start with a blank project, choose from professionally designed templates, convert a script into a video, or just build a presentation using AI. This flexibility makes the platform suitable for beginners while still providing enough creative control over more advanced users. For this walkthrough, we will create a video from scratch using a text script. Once the editor opens, you will notice that the workspace is divided into individual scenes. This allows you to organize your content into smaller sections instead of creating one continuous video. Working scene by scene also makes it much easier to edit specific parts later if changes are needed. Now paste your script into the text editor. For example, imagine you're creating a promotional video for an online language learning platform. Your introduction might say, "Welcome, today we'll explore how our platform helps you learn new languages through interactive lessons, AI-powered conversations, and personalized study plans." Once the script is entered, HeyGen prepares it for AI narration automatically. Next, it's time to choose your AI presenter. HeyGen includes an extensive collection of avatars featuring different appearances, professions, clothing styles, and personalities. So whether your audience expects a professional business presenter, an energetic instructor, or a casual content creator, you'll find an avatar that fits your project. Some users also have access to custom avatars, allowing businesses to create videos using personal digital presenters. After selecting an avatar, choose a voice to match your presentation. HeyGen offers a wide variety of AI voices with different accents, languages, and speaking styles. You can review several options until you find one that best complements your script. So whether you're aiming for a confident corporate tone, a friendly conversational style, or an educational narration, selecting the right voice helps create a stronger viewing experience. Once your voice has been selected, you can fine-tune the delivery. Depending on the available settings, you may be able to adjust speaking speed, punctuation, pauses, and emphasizes. Even small refinements can make the narration sound more natural and improve the overall quality of the video. Now it's time to enhance your presentation with visuals. Upload your own images, video clips, product photos, logos, or presentation slides. You can also customize the background, adjust colors, reposition elements, and add text overlays to reinforce important information. For example, while the avatar explains the language learning platform, screenshots of the lessons and user interface can appear beside the presenter, helping viewers understand the product more clearly. If you are creating content for viewers around the world, HeyGen also supports multilingual video production. Instead of recording separate videos for every language, you can generate localized versions using AI voices while keeping the same visuals, branding, and overall structure. This makes expanding into international markets significantly faster and more efficient. Before rendering your project, review every scene carefully. Double-check your script for spelling or grammar, make sure your visuals appear in the corner, verify that the selected voice matches the tone of your content, and confirm the transitions between scenes feel smooth. When everything is ready, click the Generate button. HeyGen processes your project by combining the script, AI presenter, selected voices, animations, and visual elements into a fully rendered video. Depending on the length of your project, rendering usually only takes a few minutes. Once you're happy with the final result, export the video in your preferred resolution and download it. Your finished project is now ready to upload to YouTube, publish on social media, use in online courses, including business presentation, or just share with clients and customers. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and thank you for watching AI Community, and I'll see you in the next one.